Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and we've got a new phone for you today. It's the X51. It's a 5G smartphone, and it's from a company called Vivo. Now you're thinking, I might not have heard of Vivo before. That's because they are just launching in the UK for the first time. They are coming to Europe and obviously other parts of the world. They're fairly large already over in Asia, and now it's time for the UK and European markets to get a bit of love from Vivo. So obviously in today's video, I'm going to be doing my trusty unboxing, take a look inside it, see what the experience is like, and yeah, obviously run down some of the main specifications. Shall I stop waffling? Yeah, stop waffling. We're going to do it a good old unboxing style. It is completely sealed, so I'm actually happy for this. I've actually got a sealed device, and I've left it unsealed. I was going to open it, but I thought, you know what? I'll leave it sealed because I like doing the unsealing on the actual video. As you can see, it's a bit of a plastic. So let's get my good old trusty unboxing knife, and let's just slide it in there. And voila, voila. And let's just rip it all off. I'll take a quick look around the box as well. So yeah, I'm actually very excited to be seeing other companies, other phone manufacturers launch in Europe. Alright, let's have a quick look around the box. As you can see here, it says X51 5G. So yes, it is a 5G smartphone. I don't think there's anything around the box apart from just the Vivo branding. And on the back of the box, it just basically tells you what it is. So it's actually the model V2006, so the V2006. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and it's called the Alpha Grey. That's the colour of these phones that are going to be launched in the UK, I believe. And it's actually got a massive trick up its sleeve as this phone, which I will tell you in a moment or two. Ready? Vom. So far I'm liking the experience. Let's just pull that off here. And just in terms of the actual box quality, because you know me, I like a good quality box. It feels pretty sturdy to me, so there's no cheaping out on the actual packaging materials. Alright, what else do we get inside here? So you can see here, Vivo X51 5G. Pop that off to the side as well. If you want to pedal off over there. I believe we're going to get our charger. I'm going to guess it's probably charger and possibly headphones. I like the kind of metallic, I don't know, I forgot what you call it. It's like a rainbow type effect, like a hologram. I think it looks really funky. Eh? And you know me, I love the unboxing experience, and it's little things like this that just kind of, Right, what do we get inside here? So I'm seeing, I believe it's probably going to be the charger. So yes, this will be the charger, and it is a Type-C cable. So we've got a nice Type-C, Type-A to Type-C cable for charging it. Obviously syncing it across if you want to hook it up to your computer. We also get some ear tips. So I'm guessing obviously you must get some headphones as well. Yes, you do. So we also get a USB Type-C. Tell you what, let's have a quick look inside here. There we go. Yep. We get a Type-C. So it's a USB Type-C, and that's to a 3.5mm audio connector. So it's nice you're actually getting this inside the box. And they actually get some headphones as well. Yeah. Some phones come on with no headphones or chargers these days. There we go. Nice little Vivo branding on them. They should look pretty nice actually, to be fair. Alright, what else are we getting inside here? It must be the power brick at the bottom. And it is. So again, this is a European one. If you are in the UK and you purchase it in the UK, you will get a UK brick. Okay, sorry, my light just turned off there. So again, if you are in the UK, you will be getting a UK power brick. This is a European one, so if you purchase it in Europe, you're going to get this one inside the box. And it is Flash Charge 2.0. And from what I can see, it looks like it does up to 33 watts. I will put a little thing there in regards to that. I think it's 33 watts out of the box. So it is a nice kind of fast charger on there. And again, it's called the Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. So yeah, let's pop that off to the side as well. Alright, let's move this away as well. And actually just remembering, it is a 33 watt charger. And from what I can remember, it charges the phone to 57% in 30 minutes. There we go. That's the advertised speed. So that's pretty damn quick. Right, what else do we get inside here? This seems fairly substantial. If it's just going to be some paperwork. You know what? I'm actually loving the fact that case manufacturers, companies now including these cases. Are they the best cases? Probably not. But the fact you get it and you don't need to go out and buy a third-party one as you buy the phone, I think it's fantastic. So well done for Vivo for actually including that in the box as well. And you get a SIM ejector, and as a good old Flossie Carter says, you got all usable books and sheet. Yep. And what else do we get inside here? Just some more paperwork. Anyway, I'm just going to move this off to the side and we'll have a quick look at the phone. Okay, so here is the star of the show. First off the bat, feels like a decent weight. It's 181.5 grams. So for my American friends, it's like 6.4 ounces, give or take. It's actually 8 millimeters thick, or should I say thin. It feels thinner, just kind of feeling like this in the plastic. So yeah, it feels really nice. And so far, it feels pretty sturdy. You know, sometimes you pick up a phone and you go, oh, it just feels cheap. Yeah, it's in the plastic and it already feels like it's going to be, you know, kind of rock solid. But anyway, let's take this plastic off here. So if I can, no, I tell you what, let's just slide it out. It's going to be a lot easier, isn't it? Try to pull off that plastic. And actually on the plastic itself, just really quickly, I forgot to show you that on there. On the top of it, I'll read it to you. It says, do not block the proximity sensor and the ambient light sensor, which is just there. Don't know if you can kind of see it. There you go. And at the bottom, it's the fingerprint scanner. A third-party screen protector might affect the fingerprint recognition. Good to know. And it's nice it's actually on there straight away for you. And look at that. Yeah, that looks really nice, doesn't it? I'm telling you, it feels, I think it's these edges. It doesn't feel as, I'm saying as thick as 8 millimeters, but it feels so thin. Yeah, it feels really, really thin just as you pick it up. Look at that nice big camera module there. And that big ass one there, that, my friends, is the star of the show. Yes, they call it the big eye, obviously because it looks like a big eye. And it's the gimbal camera. So they call it a gimbal camera because most optical image stabilization, this, you know, kind of, this has kind of got like a full-on gimbal going on inside it. Yeah, I said it. Inside there is pretty much a gimbal. So from what I've read, again, I will be doing my own testing, but from what I've read and from what I've seen with other people, this thing is legit. But anyway, the actual camera itself is a 48 megapixel. It also has an 8 megapixel periscope lens and I think it's a 5x optical. Yep, 5x optical. And it also has a 30 megapixel 2x optical. Yep. And an 8 megapixel ultra wide. You're thinking, what? Yeah, this phone has got it all. So we've got a gimbal camera. I believe this is going to be our 5x periscope, which you can probably see there. And then one of these, I believe, is probably going to be this one. That one will be the 2x. And then we've got our ultra wide. That, my friends, is absolutely bonkers. Huh? I'm liking the idea of that. And it's got a nice little LED. So it looks like it's a triple LED kind of array there. But yeah, I'm liking the feel of this phone. Anyway, let me show you around the phone really, really quickly. So on the bottom of the device, let's get a nice bit of focus there for you. So it's got the actual SIM card door there. It does take dual SIM, so it takes 2 nano SIM cards. Obviously, we've got there a little microphone and the USB Type-C as well as a speakerphone. I like this as well. It's all nice and flush. It's all nice and flat. Going down the right side of the device, looks like we've got the power button just there. It looks like it's a little texture as well. I like that. I really like that. And then we've got the volume up and down next to it. Jump onto the top of the device. You got not much until you get to that there. You get the another microphone. And at the top, it says it's 5G. There you go, 5D professional photography. And then down the left side of the device, absolutely nothing. Just nice and smooth. And again, we've already gone through the back cameras there. And on the front of it, the little selfie little hole just about there. And that one there is a 32 megapixel. Alright, boys and girls, so there we have it. That was the unboxing and the quick first look at the hardware on the brand new Vivo X51. Whoa, actually, forgot to show you. What's it look like in the case? Almost forgot about this. So as you can see here, it's got nice little kind of cutouts to let it in. So let's see how it does fit on there. Just kind of slide it in. There we go. So because it's got the nice little curved screen on there, it kind of goes down a little bit, so you can actually get your a nice bit of swipe action going on. And as for the cutouts on the back, they are slightly raised, as you can see there. So you're going to be protecting that good old gimbal camera system, eh? Yeah. And on the bottom, nice size cutouts for the USB. And on the top, nice little cutout there for the microphone. Happy days, right? Okay. Take it away, Sam. Finish the video, mate. And I'm going to shut up. I'm going to get off. I want to say thank you for watching. If you have any questions regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on. Smash, smash, smash. And go on. Subscribe. It's free. Honestly, it's free. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching. And you'll hopefully see me. Well, you'll see these puppies. But you'll definitely hear me. And hopefully going to see a lot more from Vivo in my next video. Yeah. Cheers, everyone.